Okay, to make one of these necklaces, the first thing you have to do is take the leather cord, slice the end off at an angle so that it has a little point. Take one of the barrel clamps, slide it on, hold it with your fingers, just barely squeeze it so it's oval shaped, and then get a magnet. Kind of stick mine on my scissors just to make sure they don't go anywhere. Plus it also helps to see if they're magnetized really good, because every now and then you get one that's not. And then feed it in. Cutting the angle helps it go in. Then loop it right around and stick it through the barrel. Sometimes it's a little fatter than other cords, so you'll have to kind of grab it and pull it. And then pinch it. And sometimes I'll cut off this edge that's curled out so it doesn't snag on your neck. Go to the next side, slice it off. Go ahead and put the cross on. Sometimes if the cross doesn't fit, I use a small little drill bit the size of the hole, which this hole is really clogged. That's not even drilled all the way through. Let me grab another one. Make sure that one's through. All right, stick the cross on. Don't forget to do that, because I do it all the time and then I don't have a cross on it, but I made a necklace. Get another barrel. Make it oval shaped. The other side of your magnet. This cord's extra fat, so sometimes it doesn't want to go through. In that case, you would cut it even more at an angle. This piece of cord is extra fat, and they're not usually this way. And then stick it through the barrel clasp. Pull it. And you gotta bring up the slack, because you don't want a whole lot of slack. Pinch it, and you're pretty much done at this point.